Why an explainer video is very important. Explainer video is very important in business since it increase your business by 4x. But making an explainer video with the help of vendors will cost you between 10,000 to 60,000 rupees per video. To help all small and medium business owners, creator RS Mani started this Wow Academy. He train you how to create a top-notch pro-quality animated explainer video in just one day. You need not be an expert in animation or any software. By the end of the workshop, you will have a brand new impressive animated explainer video that will make your customer feel like, wow, I need to buy that product. Please register with us on 98402, 98421 immediately. This workshop already has 5-star rating from more than 100 plus participants. Join us now. Learn to lead in your business.